Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. My channel is all about the fiber arts, family, fitness, and fun.
What are you doing?
And I have my little granddaughter over here. If you hear her interrupting my little intro, this is my little granddaughter. Hold on. There you are, right there. I'm filming a video. Okay, this is the real life of Pamela, as Charlie Mae, my little granddaughter, calls me, and my other grandkids, of course, Gigi. So, yeah. Anyway, that was my cute intro, and I'm leaving it because I love my little granddaughter so much. Well, today's video is I'm just going to get on here and chat. I've been reading some of the comments from one of my last videos, and it just makes me want to cry because I love you guys so much, and it's so heartwarming to hear how much you guys have missed me. And so yeah, I thought I'd jump on here and record a quick little video and just give you, not really an update, but just to kind of chat with you. I'm drinking hazelnut coffee this morning, and I'm just kind of getting ready. We have church today. We have a ribbon cutting ceremony today for the city. And we have I'm picking my grandson Knox up at his school. And then, of course, you know, we have church tonight. And then I'll be out of town for a few days for my husband's brother's daughter is getting married. And plus my husband's going to be preaching at his church out there. And so anyway, so it's full right now, but I do have my homework done. And so I thought I'd jump on here and kind of show you what I'm looking at as far as my crochet. And yes, I am going to get back with my doll clothes stuff too. I'm going to, starting this summer, well, I'm now going to be in May graduating with my associate business degree that I've been working hard on for 2 years. But when summer comes and fall, I'm going to go down to, instead of full-time, now that I'll have the associate, I'm fixing to just go down to maybe 1 or 2, maybe 3, but probably at least 2 classes. And so that I can get back and concentrate more on what's truly at my heart, which is my crochet. So yeah, so grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, just sit back and relax and just enjoy some good old yarny crochet talk. And yes, my little one over here, she has a little bit of a cough this morning, but she's going to be okay. She's eating oranges. Right now, she's eating a little bit of a chocolate fudge cake type thing. She's eating grapes. She's drinking some juices and all this cool stuff, but she's going to be just fine. So the thing that I pulled out, I'm selling a bunch of my yarn because I can't go through this. Well, let me back up. Back up, Pamela. I cannot use all this yarn in my lifetime. And so I am selling some of my yarn, and I'm putting the money to good use. So very good use. I just can't reveal quite yet. But anyway, so I had bought this kit from Hirschner's several years ago. And here it is right here. Look at all this beautiful yarn. Isn't it just beautiful? It's a thin yarn. And I had bought 2 of these. I bought one for my sister Tanya. Well, as you can see, she started on hers. I started on mine. And at the time, Tanya realized that she's not good at working with thin yarn. And I'm not sure what happened with me. I think basically probably the same thing. Since she kind of lost interest, I kind of lost interest. Well, since I've been selling some of my yarn, I found these kits, and I was going to sell them, but I just couldn't. When I went to take a picture, I was like, no, that's one of the things I can't part with. But it is a Hirschner's kit. It's just a simple ripple Afghan. See, so I'm pretty excited about starting this, picking it back up. It's a lost project, and The yarn is pretty soft. I really like this yarn. And I did bring my specs in here so that I can see. Alrighty. So we have Hirschner's 2-ply classic Afghan yarn. It's 100% acrylic, and this skein has, it says machine wash and dry, made in Turkey. It's a 2 fine. So yes, it's really fine. So it scared me when I was going to do it as well, and it definitely did her. But I was like, well, I think maybe I could handle it. So this is what I had gotten done at the time. So I'm not really sure where I'm at unless I marked my spot, and I don't see any marks on here, pencil marks. I don't know if you guys saw my last video, or I guess the video before my last video, and I talked about some failures and some mistakes and some tips and things like that. Well, this is one of them, is when you do a row, especially, or not even just a row. Here I am showing the pattern. It's a paid pattern, I'm sorry. Okay, so, but when you're working on a row and it's a complicated row for you, or you're just not concentrating, it may not necessarily be complicated, but let's say you're just got a lot of distractions going on and you really need to finish that row and it's just not clicking. What I do is I take a pencil and I will mark each stitch, each step in that stitch. And if I have to, if it says repeat row 4, 10 times, then I will literally write them down as well. I don't always trust that I'll have my stitch row counter with me. And so I will actually use my pencil and I will make the little lines. You remember that? You make 4 and then you take the 1 and you cross over. And it makes 5. I will do that. So maybe that right there will help you as well. But anyway, this is what I'm up to. I'm fixing to try this. Oh, and then Crochet World Magazine. As you guys know, I did get elected to be on the board, and I'm so excited about that. I'm having a blast with that. We have a retreat coming up, and it's going to be my first guild retreat to get to go to. And you guys can go to it too. Just go to the website, and if you're a member, then you can attend this retreat at this special price. And I think non-members can attend as well at a different price. But anyway, so I'm going to that. It's going to be in Memphis. But, okay, so getting back to this. Where was I going with that? I was going to say about the Memphis Guild. Okay, yes, that I got elected to be on the guild. And so the Crochet World Magazine, if you're a member of the if you're a member of the guild, you get a physical and I guess maybe a digital copy as well of the Crochet World Magazine. Well, I got mine in yesterday. It came to my house. I was so excited. But anyway, being on the guild, one of my things, I guess assignments is keeping up with the crochet along, which you guys know I do a lot of crochet along, so I was pretty excited about that when I found that out. So I do have a pattern picked out, and I will start revealing it, or I will start making videos, I guess, starting in May, and the 1st of June, I will make a video revealing the pattern from that magazine that will be our crochet along thing for the month of June. Anyway, that was a mouthful. But so back to this, I am excited about working on this again. Here's what I've gotten done. Yeah. All right. Well, I guess that's about all because I'm pretty much about at 10 minutes and I don't want my videos to be too long or you guys will tune me out. But anyway, so I guess just leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. I would love that. Leave a comment. I love reading the comments. Sometimes I just put hearts on them. Sometimes I may leave a reply. But either way, they're just as important to me no matter how I respond. I love the comments. I love the feedback. But if you'd like to comment on this video, I would love that. Just telling me maybe what type of, I guess, crochet project that you would like There goes my little one. Crochet project that you would like for me to maybe, for me to design or whatever for my channel, whether it's a doll outfit or, you know, a scarf or a purse or whatever. I did a little poll on my Facebook group page, and I've got a lot to do another, I guess, like a market bag type thing. Charlie, you want to come up here and tell everybody hi?
Yeah.
Come here. Let me get her up here. This is my little Charlie May. So she stayed the night with me last night, and
Look.
I see that. She got a little scratch on her leg. We're going to a ribbon cutting ceremony, and so yes, her hair will be all fixed up pretty. Her mama got her a really pretty dress that she's gonna be wearing today, and then I guess she'll wear it on to church tonight. And yeah.
Are you going to church, Didi?
Yeah, we're going to church.
Are you going to church?
Mm-hmm. All right, tell everybody bye-bye. All right, just remember to keep crocheting, live life, and have fun. And we will see you in our next video. Bye. Mwah. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.